Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm a little bit late posting this video. I went to Beyonce's concert on the 30th of May, and on this video I'll be sharing my experience going to London to see Beyonce. I had to take 4 trains to get to London Charing Cross. Then I met my bestie, we went for coffee. It was a beautiful sunny day in London, absolutely gorgeous, look at that sun. Then I had cappuccino, it was delicious, and we ordered some pasta, a lot of parmesan cheese, more parmesan cheese. The pasta was absolutely delicious, loved it. And we had music playing, saxophone around the corner, very nice. Then we had to take 4 undergrounds to get to the hotel. So here I'm in Liverpool Street. Then we had another slow tube. Then we were running to another tube. It was madness. Finally, we got to Tesco's, got the goods all sorted. Then got to the hotel. We stayed in Premier Inn, nothing special, but it was good. Quite expensive in London. So this is our room, really nice. We had a spare time, so I watched some film, one of the old films, had some Prosecco, then we started getting ready. My friend was putting makeup on, then I'm not sure what I'm doing there. Then we walked to the concert. This is the security gate, had some drink, then quick photo shoot for my YouTube and Instagram, then freshened up in a toilet. Quick video, and we got to the stage and listen what happened, the announcement.
London, England! We are very excited to share a special announcement with you tonight. On Sunday, Mrs. Beyoncé Knowles Carter gave $100,000 in small business grants through her Be Good Foundation to entrepreneurs and small business owners in and around the London area.
Then we had another drink before the concert, and the concert started.
London. I want to thank you guys for all you've gone through to come to this show tonight. I know it's so much traffic, and I appreciate all of the love and the patience. This show is all about release. This show is not about perfection. This show is about living in the moment. This show is about embracing all of the flaws and just having fun, enjoying your life. It's about freedom, joy. Can y'all help me sing Flaws and All? I love y'all so much. Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess. When the queen comes through, fight like the Red Sea. Move out the way. How many times I'ma say it? Stay grind. Boy, you know I grind when I go up to change your mind.
And then everyone went home. The concert was absolutely amazing. It was just the best experience, literally. I'm still buzzing. Then we got back to the hotel. And this is the next day. We had a very yummy breakfast, much needed, because we were dancing literally the whole concert, but it was worth it. Thanks for watching. We're probably actually when the train arrives. Then, yeah. Okay. With all my bags.
Gross.